Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Grskavitz, and they usually call me Dr. Joe or Dr. G, and I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon, and I'm here to talk about something we don't really talk about much in plastic surgery, and that's earlobe repair. I think a lot of women can relate to this torn earlobe. This is a before and after. So that's the basic repair. But then you can have aging earlobe repair. So you take out a bunch of tissue. You can see these are all on our website. You see very nice improvement. See, that doesn't look so old and hanging. And then we got where you put big earrings in and you get a kind of a calamari earlobe. So that's a repair for that. And this shows, again, kind of pre and post-op for the earlobe tear, and then for the aging earlobe, take out a segment, fix it up, and sort of like so. So anyway, if your earlobes are bugging you, come on in and let's talk about it. Take care.